Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a bit of a home haul video for you guys. I have been kind of just buying a few more bits for my flat, and I've been trying to think about redecorating a little bit. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. Now if you are new to my channel, then hey, welcome. My name is Sheeran and I talk about all things kind of beauty, lifestyle related. If you've been here before, then of course, hey, welcome back. And if you haven't, then please subscribe to my channel because it would mean the absolute world to me. It also just means that you won't miss out on anything that I post. I think I've literally chosen probably the hottest day of the year to film this on, and I feel like I'm actually melting. So I'm going to do this rather fast because this room is so hot and doesn't really have any sort of ventilation. So before I pass out on camera, that would be a different video. I'm just going to rifle through these. Even my hair's getting stuck to my head. Anyway, moving on. So the first things I want to show you guys, I feel like I'm just sticking everywhere. The first things I want to show you guys are some amazing prints. Now I got these done before when I moved in. I got some for the home, and now I kind of wanted to spruce them up a little bit, add a few more, change a few, that sort of thing, as you do when you live somewhere. So first of all, I want to show you those. Now these are from a company called Desenio, and they do the most amazing prints. I want to show you them kind of arriving, so in the box they arrive in. They're really pretty. Like honestly, you can pick kind of whatever frame, size, whatever you want. I've gone for varying different sizes, and then you sort of just put them all together. I've gone for some really cute kind of rose gold sort of copper frames, and then just nice kind of leafy prints, coloured ones, you know, ones with kind of some writing on, just really pretty ones. They all arrive in this really beautiful, like almost scroll, and then you kind of undo the scroll, and you just have to kind of just pop them in together. I wanted to show you guys me putting them together to show you how easy it is, because often people get put off by these things and they think you do have to just go for the ready-made stuff, whereas actually these are super simple to create yourself, and I just love them. The biggest size that you guys can see me doing is the 50 by 70 centimetre one. Then I've gone for a few 30 by 40 centimetre ones, and then finally I've gone for like a little 21 by 30 centimetres. And I just thought that those together would be really pretty. I've gone for quite a natural kind of nature sort of theme, and just looking really cute. Lots of flowers in there, lots of colour, as I said, and I love them. If you guys want to get yourself some discount, you can head down to my info bar after the video or during and have a little look, and it will link obviously through to the website, and then it also gives you 25% off. All the details of what you get 25% off will be below. What I love about the website though is that they are so easy to use, so if you really are struggling for sort of inspiration as well, it kind of clusters a few different groups together and gives you a bit of ideas, a bit of help. So I really love that, and I've just got like an example of one here. You guys can see all the ones that I've laid out before that I've got, but this is just one of them. They are so pretty. Like look at the colours in this. I'm so excited to put these up. I love them. And what I love as well is that they're super affordable. Some kind of these printing companies can be so expensive, whereas these are not at all. They are so affordable. Then moving on to a few bits from around the home. I feel like I'm flicking my hair around in all sorts of directions today, but as I say, you're gonna have to forgive me because I'm roasting like a turkey on Christmas Day. So let's just crack on with this, kids. What else have I got? I've got so many random bits. Let's start off with from Asda. A lot of this stuff is from Asda. Salt and pepper pot, little mill things. I needed these for ages, and I did have some, but unfortunately they broke and the tops of them weren't very good. So these ones were just by Cole and Mason, and they already come with the salt and pepper in, which is super handy because especially if you move into somewhere, you're never going to have salt and pepper immediately lying around, are you? So that's really handy. They were like, they were actually quite reasonable, and they're just the normal kind of like twist the top and they come out thing, so they're refillable obviously. I really liked those. Next up, oh my god, this is so random, but I literally am obsessed with these. They're like mini chip fryers. I mean, you guys probably saw this from my thumbnail and thought, what the hell are they? Well, these are stainless steel chip baskets. So you can put, you know, like in restaurants, I don't know where my face is in the way of it. I look like I'm coming out of one, like, hey. So this is basically when you go to like restaurants and stuff, and they just make them look so lovely. Like they just pop them on a little slate board, and then you put the little chips in there. Oh, I'm so excited. Literally my boyfriend was like, what the hell are those? But I'm very excited for them, and I just think, you know, presentation is everything. So yeah, got a couple of those. They're in like £1. I was like, bargain. Wanted to buy loads, wasn't allowed. Then, as if I don't have enough marble coasters, because you can never have too many. How cute are these? And these are again just from George. I'm just going to take one of them out so you guys can see. So in here, look how cute they are. Oh, there's like a little lighter bit of marble here, the darker marble there, and then running down the middle is this really nice rose gold copper stripe. I mean, you guys can tell that I love copper and rose gold, can't you? It's actually like a sickeningly unhealthy habit, but I don't care because I love them. Oh my god, this is so random, but so amazing. I love how I just overreacted about this, and you guys are going to be like, really? I don't even know what this is, but basically it's called a trivet, and it's a metal trivet. How freaking handy are these, you guys? Like, if any of you has a house, again, you can't really see, so you put hot pots and pans on here, and it raises it up, or like baking trays, or anything that's just come out of the oven, so you just pop them on there, and it means it doesn't damage your work surface. Saucepans, that sort of thing, because my boyfriend puts them on the side all the time, and I always nag him. I'm like, oh, don't burn a hole through the work surfaces. So this is really handy, because it just means you can pop them on top of that. I mean, literally, this is probably about £1, but it has changed my freaking life, you guys. Okay, next, I'm having a few issues with this, so I'm just going to talk you about it while I try and get it off. Probably going to have a few fingerprints on it now. Oh, there we go. Pizza slice. Again, how have I lived in a property for a year, just over, and I've never had a pizza slice in this flat? What is wrong with me? Well, it's probably because I'm allergic to cheese and I don't eat pizza. But for my boyfriend, he's like, with a little knife every time, so I was like, I'm going to treat him to a pizza slice. Yes, I did that. That was another random purchase, which I just wanted to show you guys. I was debating, do I put that in the video? Of course I put it in the video. Yes, it's all part of the home haul. You guys will understand me, you know, it's like if you've lived on your own. Ooh, the struggle is real at times. You need a good pizza slice. Next up, amazing candles, love them. This one is a pomegranate triple wick candle. I'm like obsessed with triple wick. I always get them from Bath & Body Works. Now, I'm no way saying that George is on the same level as that in terms of scent and longevity and that sort of thing. However, I just thought it smells pretty good, and they're actually pretty cheap as well. They're just, you know, like, who else are doing them? Aldi, the supermarket, are also doing like kind of dupe Jo Malone ones. So this is kind of, you know, similar to, again, doesn't have the number whatever on it. I just thought this was quite similar. So this one is just, again, as I say, pomegranate, and I really like 3-wick candles because it means it burns really evenly, whereas it really frustrates me when they burn unevenly when they've only got one. So yeah, nice big candle, that's going to get burned a lot. I'm literally getting so hot, you can actually see, I swear I'm getting shinier by the second. You could actually probably fry a chip on me right now and then shove it in one of these. I mean, that's how hot I am, so let's just crack on. Then, I know these aren't real, but I just really like them for like novelty kind of effect. 3 little cactuses. They're obviously fake cactuses, but I thought for a little windowsill they'd be perfect. Oh, I just really liked those. I thought they were dead cute. So they've got like fake soil in them, and I can't kill them, whereas I've literally killed every other plant I've ever owned. So that was a great shout for me. And then, massive throw. This is like the best time to buy stuff like this when it is so hot, because actually this one was in the sale and it was like £9 or something, whereas it should have been like 15. So I was like, bargain. It's really fleece lined and it's just super comfy, and it's got loads of stars on it, again from Asda, love it, from George. George do such nice stuff, honestly, for the home. They're so good as well, and their clothes, don't even get me started on those. But I thought this was a great time to get it, because although it's friggin' roasting outside, and I could not think of anything worse than putting this on right now. When it comes to the winter, I will be so grateful for this, so I love that. And then the final thing is so random, but it's so handy. So this is called Any Sharp, and it's the world's best knife sharpener apparently, but it's one of those things that you never ever think about kind of, you know, buying, and actually they're so important. They're so handy. What I loved about this one is that it's got a safety catch as well, so you basically can lock it off to obviously keep it safe, or you pull it down when you're going to use it, and then you basically just put your knife sort of in the top, swish it down, like pull it down, and it just sharpens it. It's so good. So if you've got kids and stuff like that, then honestly, it's just a really great shout because it just keeps it kind of locked away, and it's got a kind of like rubbery sort of surface, so you can just pop it on top of any surface and it's not going to slip anywhere. So I really love that. Again, that is adulting to the max when you get a knife sharpener and you get excited about it. Not just when you get one, when you get really excited about one. What is life? So I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video and have given you a bit of home inspiration. If you want to see any kind of DIY or home decorating videos that you want me to do, please be sure to drop me a comment below because I'd love to hear from you guys. And of course would love to show you kind of my finished rooms when they're done. Just give me any kind of rough sort of ideas of what you want me to do. I literally feel like I've lost like half of my body weight just sat here. I'm so hot. So I need to go immediately and jump in a really cold shower, which is just in there. So I will see you guys in a few days time in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!